Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Playing Man. Fake it, tell you, make it. So we're on the second episode of creating knives, the process of it. So I got the handle built on mine, and I got it sharpened up. Also built a sheath, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So Mike came after us and did make a knife. We want to see what style he did, because we didn't just get to see it. This is the style knife he did. Very cool. A lot of detail. He did like a little bottle opener on the bottom. His handle, he's doing his handle. The wood he's using is just standard red cedar. As you can see, his pins don't look very pretty. We're skipping a step, but Michael's tracing out his leather for a sheath. This is what Michael will be getting to. This is the first piece of leather item I've ever made. It's a sheath for my knife. Got a little button here to go across it. Alright Mike, show them what it looked like after you took the clamps off. As you can see, it left a beautiful design on there. It just looks natural. So next up is this little guy. I don't know what it's called, but you see how it works?
No, I have no idea.
Basically, you want to make a line for where your stitching is going to go.
Oh, it gets it right from the edge?
Yeah.
It goes like that, right?
How far deep? Yeah.
I want it pretty close.
Eric's here to make his handle now. This is one I did a practice on. Eric made the knife. I made the handle. So you could do two things to make the holes. Use this. Clamp down, but it's kind of hard. Or just hammer them with these stampers. Eric is now clamping his handle onto his, what's it called, Eric? The handle? Tang?
And you use this to...
That's the tricky part. Here, put these on either side of the knife. As you can see, Michael has moved on to sanding his handle down, the excess material coming over the tang. And that's what he's working on right now. And it smells really nice because he chose the red cedar, so it's putting off a nice scent in the shop. It's nice. So Eric's got his pins in his handle now. He made them a little long. He's going to cut them to size, leaving them just a tad bit long because he's going to sand the surfaces, and you want the pins to be flush with the top and bottom of the handle. Eric's gluing down his handle. Yeah, there you go. You got to glue your pins too. Okay, here he goes. All right, Ethan made it. There he is with his. What kind of knife you got there? Kukri. All right, so he's gonna make a handle.
Double-edged
kukri. I got wood over here you can choose from, Ethan. Ethan's got his holes drilled, his pins cut. We're putting on the epoxy. Mike is over here at the leather station putting rivets in with Juliet. He's making his loop for his belt.
Ow!
Oh, you okay?
No, but distracting me.
Ethan's now stitching up his sock here.
My
He's got a lot of stitching to do. Look at all that. Let's see Eric's finished knife here. Turned out really cool. Look at that. That's cute. It's got his button back there. So cool. I like the color you chose. How's yours coming out, Ethan? Let's see what you got here, buddy.
I had to put gloves on because it was getting really hot. But I was actually doing the blades too.
Very cool, man. Pretty nifty looking. He let his steel poke out the end there. I like that. Michael took off. His turned out really cool. He was just so excited about it. He was like, I'm going home and showing my wife. I gotta go. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to fake it, tell you, make it.